One of the says, I don't like
that's
God.
not my question. You are relating everything which is sort of programmed. If evolution didn't program it, then the mass scale social engine programmed something in my brain.
You program every day your brain.
Where is my free will? I mean, you humans do.
This
You
area-
humans have a free
this
will.
area,
or not?
neurocortex.
I dislike God because I want to.
Exactly, you're right. This area, see, the area doesn't change.
Even free will is programmed. You are saying. In the
No,
brain.
just reptilian brain doesn't change often. Mammalian doesn't change. We have a strong evolution of that. Neocortex, where this social engineering comes. This is your high cognitive function.
इमोशनल इंजन तो बीच वाला है ना, इमोशनल इंजन तो चेंज हो रहा है ना,
नहीं हो रहा है,
धीरे-धीरे हो रहा है.
धीरे-धीरे हो रहा है. It's not as accelerated. It's not as accelerated as your neocortex are, because in today's century we don't want to pick the humans by pick serials. I know क्या करता है, I don't know, but neocortex is much more active कि आपको permutation problem solve करनी है, आपको data structure की problem solve करनी है, आपको complex political issue solve करनी है. So this neocortex, and it's also the structurally the larger part of the brain. So see all this curly braces that you see in the normal features, right? These are most taken. So it has a heavy processing, but the point is, this is the part of the free will. And free will, it is there. Your neocortex, all this free will is there. But it is also getting programmed. It is also changing. It's also changing, and it's changing every day. When you getting conscious in morning, we're actually changing it. Every day, this is getting changed in a slight level. Natural selection generally happens in very small delta, and reinforcing the delta over the time. And that applies to, although Darwin theory apply in broad objects, but it also applies to the brain also. But mammalian, this limbic system, it is there. Our rage, love, anger, they're not changing every day, right? They are kind of already established certain deterministic emotional responses are there. But this neocortex is the later part. This is changing rapidly. I mean, we're changing it every day. And this is not programmed, by the way. It's a learning system.
His brain is all that I am. Is there no existence of me outside of my brain? That was my question.
No, you have it. But the point of discussion was not that. I mean, ये meeting का नहीं था.
I think that is more of a spiritual discussion.
नहीं, spiritual
That's
discussion
where
नहीं है.
we are leading to. I mean,
Yes, I like to. But the point,
philosophical.
I like to. Yeah, but I like to. I mean, कल वरुण से बात हो रहा
but
था.
इमोशन जनरली हार्ट से रिलेटेड होते हैं, सभी कुछ हम कह रहे हैं ब्रेन से.
हार्ट क्या करता है?
हार्ट तो पंप करता है खाली.
Sorry,
what
was the question?
जो picture में
वाली बात.
हाँ?
नहीं कुछ
नहीं,
नहीं, पहले सीरीज के
हाँ, सीरीज का पॉइंट तो है. ठीक है, let's do that.
We will. You want to go to
नहीं,
the
so नहीं, वो question हाँ, so कल वरुण से बात हो रहा था.
if I can put the can I make my own circuit? So everything has to have a physical
वाले
seat.
कुछ मेमोरी
I mean, if I don't exist, then nothing of me exists.
I tell you. So we have something called consciousness. So all this complex, funky crap thing that I read would give you some discrete processing. Vision does 30 areas, audio, fu, emotion engine, all this thing. What actually gives you at the end of the day? This uniform, this emergence behavior. So we have a system which has certain functions in a different segregated way. But when in unison, it gives you a emergence behavior. So this is called emergence theory, right? For example, this emergence can be found in ant colony. When ant found their foods, right? You got emergence key. This the food has been searched. So this emergence behavior in our brain is called consciousness. And people are doing research on that, and they actually say that it has something to do with quantum computing. In generally, people do say that, because consciousness we cannot define, and it seems that at the microscope level, we have a certain ideas of quantum physics going on. But जब बाहर आता है in larger scale, जो scale बढ़ता है तब ये reduce हो जाते हैं. हम देखते हैं कि brain में कुछ basically mass का print है basically, nothing else. So when the factor the scale is high at the macro level scale, we just see certain functions. Brain ये करता है वो करता है. But at the end, as a whole, it got a molecular level, not molecular, quantum level function and visible aspect of the high level functions. And we call this consciousness. So this consciousness, although we don't understand, what we can understand about this is consciousness is that if consciousness or a single person is important, what about the group consciousness? So when you are part of the social fabric, and each people radiating an aura of consciousness of something we cannot determine. As a group, you got a group consciousness, right? So this group consciousness is actually nothing but a enhanced view of the social engineering, and actually, although let's say aap yahan se chale gaye and you influence the group, but your group consciousness is still there, and it's nothing but a system. It's nothing but a system which is basically, we are biological in nature. We has to be biological, but there are a lot of forces in our universe or our world, in normal world, which is non-biological. Our consciousness is actually hiding us from that real forces, and make sure that we take care of economics, we take care of our mate selection, we take care of food, our 3D world. All those things are very normal in our life, and this consciousness is a facade. It's basically making sure that we don't get lost in the arbitrary forces of the world, which can be anything. And basically, it's hiding us something. When you get conscious, and if you think about it, it's very normal that
forces, what exactly
forces, matlab non-biological forces, which basically means the gravitation,
भूत प्रेत
other small scale quantum effects, any other non-biological, anything physical, basically can be a number of things.
No, but I don't know if there's a not, but
Please.
this is shielding us from getting affected from these forces or something. I've got a point. Let's say gravity. Let's say take an example, right? Consciousness. I don't know how it's playing a role in shielding us or doing anything to prevent us. I don't know. Gravity is just there, right?
अनकॉन्शियस है तो आपको क्या दबा देगी जमीन
कॉन्शियसनेस का उल्टा अनकॉन्शियस नहीं है. I'm just going to tell you.
अच्छा.
जब इस बार गोल्ड मेडल जीता गया ओलंपिक में, this archery, right? I mean, archery is a very nice example of how our brain works. If you see, ask any archer fielder or archery, they will actually tell you when the target is fixed and just before the arrow release, just before, so our brain actually shows two kind of waves. One is alpha and one is beta. There is other also, rapid eye movement or RMI, whatever. So when the archer actually throws the arrow just before the release, normally he concentrates. एकदम पक्का, मेरे को छूना ही है. Successful archers has been observed, and this Indian guy also consulted. It has been observed that just before this release, he doesn't think about the target, and your brain changes from alpha, which is a concentrated level, to the subconscious level, which is a beta, different wave pattern from the EEG machine. So it basically means that our subconscious is basically, we have a conscious mind, and we have a bigger mind actually that we don't see. Subconscious. Now, actually, it has been observed also. This is one example. Example 1. Example 2 is that it has been observed. Let's say I asked you to move a duster from here to here. It has been observed that before your hand moves to this duster, activity in your brain moving the duster start way back before actually you even moving your hand. And the mechanics related to moving your hand from duster from here to here actually start way before, from some t minus delta. So this is the time is very small for our time second scale. What basically is that you got a basically a feedback thing going on, and subconscious and conscious going imprinted and like a feedback mechanism. And it's old subconscious becoming conscious now, and your current is basically iterative statement like getting back right. So it actually started a little bit earlier, and same here. And when you actually just before the release of this arrow, you go to this beta thing, brain stops thinking about that there is something arrow.